clean it up. I'm not gonna clean it up. Alright, for real. For real. Let's get started. Welcome to another vlog. Today we're doing a money cake. I just did a TikTok where I threw the money all over this counter on top. And, well, gotta do a transition, so. Now that I got that cleaned up, I'm going to start on my cake. Get started. It is 11:25. Let's get this party started. Get a meat later, drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money chase your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth that chase your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like mine.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Fuck what they talking about on your time. That's cutting all into my time. My time with you.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it.
I'm currently making strawberry because you know it is Valentine's Day. If y'all didn't know, now y'all know it is currently Valentine's Day, and I just got done with the cake. This my baby made this morning. Yeah, don't play with my boy. Anyway, my big son come here talking about he about to make some chocolate covered strawberries. You gonna make them for me? The light bag, a complete setup. Then y'all know I had that one. Oh, if y'all didn't count the cakes, I didn't use one of those small cakes. Anyway, turn to see down a bit. So this is what I'm currently doing. So I'm doing that while he working, while he cutting hair. I'm doing that, and I'm doing the cake. And I had some actual Valentine stuff. I got them, and I got some cupcake picks, but I'm not gonna use those. But yeah, some last minute stuff. Alright, so this is where I'm at. What I was doing didn't work out, so I had to go with some rosettes. Okay, I know it's giving wedding right now, but bear with me. I was putting it up without even showing y'all, but anyway, this is how it's looking. Period. Looks store-bought, huh? Cause I'm fancy.